How to remove music sticker from Facebook story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove music sticker from your Facebook story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Facebook. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, let's tap on create story. After you tap on create story, you can choose a picture that you want to add to your story. So let's say I'm just gonna add. Now, after you add the story, what you can then do is tap on the music icon right there on the top right corner and add a music whichever you want. Now, you'll notice this music sticker. Now, if you want to remove this music sticker, you can simply place it and add it to your story, or you can delete it like that. Now, if you don't want to do that and remove it from the screen, simply drag it out of the frame. After you drag it out of the frame, you'll notice that there is no sticker anymore. After that, if you add it to your story and wait till it gets upload, you can then open up your story. After that, you'll notice that the sticker is no more there, but you still have the music on your story. And yeah, that is basically how you do this, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.